Okay, okay. Nakaakyat na tayo sa Big Buddha. Here we are. Big Buddha. Yeah, Big Buddha. So, here. And now, look at this. Look at this. I will show you this one. Okay, from here. Wow. You see that? Overlooking from here is the... See? There. Cable car. There. Wow. You see that? So nice. Ooh. Ayan. Wow. You see that? Buddhist monastery. And here we're going to walk around here. Walk muna dito. Walk muna. Ayan, daming tao. Look at that. They're Buddhas. See? What is this? Sorry. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. And here. Hindi po pwedeng umakyat. So, dati dito kasi pwede kang umakyat hanggang dun. Pero ngayon, naka-close. Yeah, naka-close. They close it. Oh, cannot go 360. Oh, dati nakaka 360 ka. But for this time, wala. Oh, pwedeng dumaan dito. Wait, because it is, I think, under construction. So, let me see what is in here. Okay, what is in here? Let me check. Oh, wow. My gosh. Trying to explore by myself. Yung aking kasama, dun lang. Ayan. And then, pagkatapos ko dun, makarating sa dulo, I will take photo. Para may remembrance naman ako bago bumaba, no? Wow. Ano kaya meron dito? Look. Parang nakakatakot. Wow. Hey! Hindi na nakikita yung dagat dito. Dati nakikita. Kaya tingnan natin sa banda ron. Oh, what is in here? Construction site. Oops. Walang meron dito. Ay! Malia, nakasunod ka din. Parang wala dito. Ay, ito, halika, oh, may toilet, oh. Sabi ko, ano kayang meron dito? Kaya pala ang lakad ko. Dito. Ayan, oh, nakaturo doon. Ay, ito. There. Ayan, oh. Sige. Dito lang ako, ah. Tawag ka lang sa akin. At titignan lang natin kung anong meron dito. Okay. Ang ganda-ganda dito. Ano kayo meron? You want to join us? Ha? Ano ka mo? Ay. Oo, holiday. Sorry. Okay. I'm just looking what it is inside. Oh, yeah. Haya. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Oh. Sige lang. Hindi daw pwedeng pumunta doon. Okay. Okay. Okay.
The car come, you will.
Okay.
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 You don't know
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay.
You go steps up, alright?
Yeah.
And the step down. Because the step for human being.
Oh,
Step for car.
oh, okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Downstairs have a very big garden. Take photo very good. Oh.
Where? Saan daw? Downstairs.
Enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for information. Okay. Sabi nila hindi raw pwede pumunta doon. Kasi pang sasakyan lang. Saan na kaya tayo makarating? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, no more na rito. No more na. So, I'll go back here. Balik na ako dito. Hintayin ko yung aking kasama. Init. May multo dyan. Wala. Uy. Ay. Saan ba? Ang init. Ang papunta dito is 1 hour. Tapos maglalakad ka. Pwede rin 6 minutes. So around 1.5 hour. 1 hour. Make it. So 1.5. 1.121. 1 hour and 21 minutes. Plus 6 is around 131. No, 131 plus 6 minutes. So mga ganun. Walang multo rito, no? Oo, day off ko ngayon. Holiday kahapon at saka ngayon. Holiday kasi ngayon namin. So, ang init. Balik na ako dito. Hintayin ko na yung aking kasama. Doon sa banda room. Gusto ko mag-picture mamaya na. Ay, ito anahaw, Jenny. Mga halaman na mga ano hindi pinapansin dito. Ayan mga ano, mga ganyan Shhh. Mga exotic plant na papabayaan lang ayan mga halaman dito. Baliwala lang. Bye bye for now. At ako yung picture. Bye.